account. Now, why me I hate prop accounts? I prefer real accounts past prop accounts. But at the same time, I wonder why person go dey even dey trade prop firm accounts. So we say you feel $10, if you do something reasonable. So how you
Normally,
see am?
but I really don't get when a lot of people tend to have their own capital and start acting like everybody's expected to have capital. Juicy, that's in the wrong, seriously. Because for the fact that you feel flip $10, no mean say everybody fit do am. Life hard for everybody. You understand? Now, a lot of people have gone through the prop firm route and it has worked for them. I feel the beginning they mention name. Dax they there, Kevin Talent. These people get money. They still they trade prop firm till today. So you know, fit tell me say, based on say because you can flip $10 and you can flip it into something profitable. It doesn't mean everybody can do it. See, there's room for compounding. Some of us now compounding nine bring us come here. So if I know they compound now, you say make I just flip $10, you no go work. So no, definitely, real accounts, prop firm, because too much emotions, bro. You know how much with $10? This is Nigeria.
Oh yeah now. You been get wetin you talk now. Where we say I like. Now him dey this market like this. Without knowledge, you know if you do what you want to do. I don't know if you get it.
At the end of the day, na still knowledge.
Hey. Last now, I fit do car wash business like this, Get $10. It's possible. You understand, ba? And from that $10 now, I fit dey use as low as 50 cents.
For how long?
No now. Calm down. No. Forget for how long. Okay, for example, no, this one an example. You understand, ba? Like now, you see this knowledge what they talk of, no be for mouth. Share this account like this now, $128 now deposit for this account there. But at the end of the day now like this, I don't withdraw like $457 from this account from day before yesterday till now. No be about capital. Some persons go to say you need to get this big money. Now, why you need 100k live accounts where you know say you fit use $10 do
About
it you
person
want?
we get the knowledge, no get access to funds, right? How you want to take do am? Because if I go hustle that car wash, raise $200 now, and I get bill of $150, that means 150 minus 200. I don't have $50 I fit use trade now.
Yes.
You understand? So now that $50 I go dey trade for how long? To meet up with them drizzy peeps.
If you know if you manage small, you know if you manage big.
This one me I'll say, right? Prop firms are very, very good. Okay, live accounts are also very, very good. All right. Now, live account gives you total control of your money. Meanwhile, prop, you have to prove yourself before you earn money from the prop. Now, what I'll tell you is, if you already have experience in trading, okay, then you can go for the prop. Even the prop accounts, is written boldly on their websites, looking for experienced traders, not beginners that are just starting. Now, with your experience level, you can raise $100 to $1,000 after maybe a couple of years of trading. It takes time to build that level of experience. But at the same time, if you don't have access to larger capital, instead of blowing your money too quickly, because small accounts are bound to blow. Let's be very honest. We have all tried to flip accounts before in the past, right? Whereby you try the first time, it works for you and it's all good. Sometimes that second time you flip 100 to 500. That second time you're trying to flip 500 to 2,000, the account goes. So in order for you to preserve your capital as somebody who is just starting, I would advise you to go down the prop firm route, because you can make a big withdrawal out of even being lucky, then you now have money to fund your live account. You understand? So I would say if your experience level is low, you can try the prop. You can try it. All right. Instead of just blowing your money just like that.
I support prop firm. I support prop firm. Let's say on a 90-10%, in the sense that if as a beginner trader or an intermediate trader you don't have risk management, prop firm will help shaping you.
Exactly.
Prop firm forces you to be disciplined.
Yeah, it builds that discipline.
It builds that, because if you're already coming into the mindset that Forex is a get rich quick scheme, when you have prop firm, you will be forced to be disciplined. Now, I paint a picture. I know somebody that he's always against prop firm, but the thing is, he funds $1,000 account and then keeps opening multiple positions on a losing position, and then he end up blowing the account. But when you have a prop account, you already know that you will have your daily maximum loss and your total drawdown. So in everything you do, you know that if I reach 5% of this account, I've breached the rule. So it's just building you. And then talking about capital, if you have $100, you can as well use it to buy a prop firm account. Take your time, you grow to get the money that Drizzy Pips have. Yes, because Drizzy Pips is posting. He just said $200 but how many $100 has he lose in order for him to start doing that?
Achieve that now.
That's it. So in a nutshell, I believe that prop firm helps to shaping trader. I won't say prop firm is better than life account. No, it just helps to build you and give you that tangible capital to start trading for yourself.
Who tell you say prop firm?
That's it.
They force you to be disciplined.
No, it helps you.
It helps you.
It helps you.
Yes, it helps
Number
you.
one, nobody fit teach you how to maintain yourself. I don't know if you dey get me.
Psychology.
Yes. Now the fact be that if I dey now like this, wey be say I dey hold trade, I no fit come test scalper say my holding trade dey better pass your own. You understand, ba? You no fit write rules wey go govern my life. Same thing goes to trading. No matter how you take be, no matter how you take be, that rules. You know they hear say Glory say wetin you talk now? You been talk something say now why they say professional traders are meant to trade the prop firm. Oh yeah, now who they drag prop firm online? Now experience abi beginner traders. Yes, now experience trader. Now you say waiting. You say
There are legit prop firms and there are scam prop firms. That's the mistake I think most people make, because when you approach a scam prop firm, you assume that that's how all prop firms are, and most of the thing that it's scam there is just that spread, the spread and closing of your position when you are asleep. You know, those things they do it. The scam prop firms they do it. But that idea is that there are scam prop firms out there. I saw one guy that was promoting 500k. It's a Naira prop firm. I think they call it Naira prop. Yeah, they say 500,000 Naira account, you pay 15,000 Naira, you get 500,000 Naira. Bro, that your 15k now they define that 15,000 Naira. So at the end of the day, if you want to go into anything, just like the same industry, Forex, you make your research. You understand? You make your research. There are reviews everywhere. You see which of them is scam, which of them is real. At the end of the day, it still falls down to the process of the industry. The process is you learn before you earn. You get. So whether you go with personal account, say you go manage your money by yourself. If you don't know what you do, you go still lose your money. If you do profit, whether not your personal money, whether not person dash you or your church contributes profit for you, they pray for the profit.
but if you want
they anoint the
firm
prophet.
is just designed to make you fail. Why? Because if you most prop firms, right? Even this FCMO you just mentioned, I'm not trying to bring their name down or something like that. Most prop firm, when you, let's say you buy a 50k account and then you trade it to some certain amount, they'll tell you maybe they are giving you 5% rule to pass. So if the prop firm is designed to help you, why is it that when you make more than 5% of that stage, they will remove the rest and then promote you to the next stage without skipping you? If yes, they're like, let me say 5% of 50k, how much is it? Is it 5k, Abi? Now let's say you make a profit of 8k, they will remove the $3,000 and then they'll just pass you for the only $5,000. So if they are programmed to help you, at the end of the day, if you not make withdrawal, instead of you to waste your time, for me personally, instead of you to, let me say you waste your time trying to buy a prop firm account, even if it's $100 you have, fund your life account, because at the end of the day, you will not withdraw. Prop firm is always just bringing up one story, unless you are famous.
I think I'll counter you on that.
Unless you are famous. If not, if the guy was not famous, they would have not paid him the money.
Okay, they paid him after.
Yes, they paid him after dragging them all over. So that's because they don't want their name to. So if you are not famous, if you get 100 followers or you get 200 followers, who you want to talk to, or where they go even hear your voice before paying you. But if you use if you use a live account now, right? If you use a live account, no, you dey place your withdrawal that they give you. So it's better for you to have a realistic withdrawal, a realistic live account than you having 1 million in fund. In fact, now if you say you fund me $20,
and somebody should give me $1 million profit, I'll collect the $20. For real, go to my page. I'll collect the
Since
$20.
we are digging up, I'm bringing up history. I'm a very good. I did good at that. Make a counter. And you were talking about prop firms, designing this whole market for you to fail. Let me tell you something. There is the business aspect of prop firm. This is a business as well. So you don't run businesses to lose. You run businesses to gain as well. So if the business is not generating funds, it's not a self-sufficient business, how do you expect them to make money? Mind you, we all understand this.
But they can equally make money while paying traders. If they claim,
you can make money while paying traders. But see, just like we have human beings, there are good ones and there are bad ones, right?
Yes.
You yourself said you should not judge one thing based off of the experience you had from the other.
But I would say 90% of prop firm, if not 99%. Let me tell you, for me personally, any broker at all that you are probably depositing and they are giving you a $5,000 as welcome fee or anything. Now, why?
Your business as a trader is first to maintain your capital, and second to make profit from the market. That's what we all come to work to do, right? So when you see these things like you cannot totally want to blame prop firms or dent the image of prop firm, because prop firm has taken a lot of people from the trenches.
Well, they have killed more people than the
The personal account is just the advantage because it gives you self-discipline. You learn to be disciplined on your own. It's just like a CEO trying to grow a business and believes that if I lose this money, I won't get it any other place. I had to work again and to build that capital. So you're more disciplined to keep your capital or to have a percentage you risk, and then you have to be disciplined to go through the trade or the chart before you can indulge in any trade, right? Yes. It brings you, like I think when we're learning then, Drizzy said something that you have to be thinking like a businessman. Yeah. You shouldn't be greedy, because profit for me makes you greedy. Makes you greedy. You are just jumping a class of life. You want to make money quick. Right. So for me, you are trying to bet something because it's not your money. You will not be disciplined enough because you know it is not your money. So you even most times see it as a demo account. Yeah. Because it's not your hard-earned money. And then when that ticket cuts, you have to buy a new one. So how long will you continue going back to repeat a class instead of building your own brand? For how long will you continue? It's just like a cycle. Yeah. So, but you start up your own, you believe to grow from the little, you are disciplined, and then your greed level begin to drop as time goes, right? With your little account. I think, was it last month, Drizzy asked us to give him $30 and he gave us back 200 and something thousand. I was like, man, that shows, I think he has never had any Profem account before. That's a good reason or a good example of knowing that a personal account can also bring you to a certain level in life. If you're disciplined enough, you just have to discipline yourself like you're growing your own business. You don't have to start thinking in a greedy way where you want to just make $1,000 today, and you already have a dream that you want to build this, When you're in a Profem account, before you know, you blow everything and then you go to square one again. But when it's your own money, your hard-earned money, you know that you have to manage it, you have to grow. You're coming in a place of business, so you have to manage it. Business-minded person now, it is your brand you want to build. It is your own capital you want to build. It is your own business you want to build. So it gives you more discipline. It puts you in a place of your greed level begins to drop. Even with humans, the way you relate to people, how greedy you were, you begin to see life in a different way. I think it disciplines you, it brings you back to you growing something. And then you have to be patient with growing. Yeah. You have to be patient with growing. Most time people jump into Profem account because of greed.
How much they can pull out.
Yes, It's not about them growing. It's a greed level that is making them to go into pro firm account. I think a few weeks ago, my brother-in-law, Blue account, he came and told me that how far he bought one pro firm account to, he has gotten to this level. I say how far? The last time I asked him, he answered very slow. I was like, bro, the account has gone. So you see that the place I'm coming from.
It's basically the mindset going into any type of account that you're going into, whether it be live account, whether it be prop firm account, right? Some people go into live accounts with the aim of flipping the account, not compounding the account.
Okay.
Now, if you go with the aim of flipping the account, you have to understand that you have very few number of trades to take, obviously, because you can't be risking very, very low when you're trying to flip. For example, like 1%, 2%, you're trying to flip, so what you're risking is like 50%.
Yeah.
Sometimes maybe 25%, that's 4 trades. 50%, that's 2 trades, right? You can also approach prop firm like that as a business, in the sense that if I'm buying a $200,000 account, I have it at the back of my mind that I'm not going to pass this in one trade. I'm not going to pass this in 1 week. I might not even pass it in 1 month. But at the end of the day, what I'm going to get out of that $200,000 account, if I spend a month to pass phase 1, a month to pass phase 2, and on the 3rd month I'm making 5% of 200K, that's $10,000. Now, a $10,000 payout would compensate me for the 3 months that I tried to, get money out of that account.
Okay.
So the mindset going into that account is what matters. The mindset going into that account. If you see a prop firm account as, it's a one-off thing, immediately I pass it, my life has changed, then you have the wrong mindset.
Exactly.
The mindset of going into a prop account is fundamentally for the purpose of funding your own life account. You understand? That's for somebody who doesn't have money. For somebody who already has money, the mindset of going into a prop account is scaling up. Because you might have money, but what's really money? Money is subjective. Yeah. You might be rich at $100,000. Somebody else is rich at $1 million. Somebody else is even poor at $10 million. Yeah. So it's relative at the end of the day. So for somebody who does not have money, the mindset is, I want to go into a prop firm. I want to get money out of that prop firm so I can fund my own personal account. Yeah. While for the person who's already comfortable, the mindset of, I want to scale up. That's the reason why I'm going through prop firms. You understand? So the mindset of going into any type of
account, which I told you I made $90-something, and I withdrew out of the money, and I is my money, I'll eat it. In profile accounts now, you won't eat that money. You won't even feed it until you get to a certain level. You are under slavery for me. Yes.
Well, perspective matter and perception matters
they
too
work,
as well.
Baboon they chop.
Let me ask you a question.
You're putting your all in somebody else's business.
Let me ask you a question.
Instead of building your own and gaining experience for yourself.
True.
Yeah.
Let me ask you a question here. Is restaurant business a scam?
No.
Because at the end of the day, a restaurant business, they are in the business to make money.
Yes.
But you a chop for there, you belefu. You like the food. You understand? So will you say the business has scammed you because you have to pay them money for that food?
No.
You won't say that. It's the same way when you make money out of a prop firm. The money that you even paid initially, they give you back.
Okay, you bought a $200 account, right?
200K account.
200K.
That's about $1,000, yeah.
Okay. And end of the day, you still lost the account with prop firm. Was it not better for you to have started your own?
Yes.
Maybe you might think it's better, but at the end of the day,
I am telling you, in a place of when you're building something yourself, you take it more serious than when it's somebody else's business, right?
Facts.
The CEO of a company is more serious with the company more than who workers there, right? So I'm building my brand and I'm making sure that it grows.
Is it impossible to blow your personal account?
It makes me not to go every day into market. It makes me to be disciplined to have days to go into the market. Yes. But as a profile account, there's a target you want to meet. So you go just crack your brain, may you enter.
No. Let me correct that. Let me correct it. I'm sorry. Let me correct that very, very quickly, right?
Okay.
So in 2026, right? I don't think there are any prop firms that would give you a 30-day time frame to pass a challenge.
Not at all. They don't.
I started trading back in 2020, and back then, if you buy a prop firm account, they give you 30 days to pass, and if you don't pass, they take the account from you. Now, all the prop firms, because of competition in this space, all the prop firms are giving you unlimited time to pass that account. So there's no rush to pass that account. Okay. The prop firm is not telling you you must pass this account in 30 days like it used to be back in the day.
Okay.
Now you have unlimited time
now
to pass that account. Now the thing with prop firm is the fact that any money you make on a prop firm account, you can't withdraw it immediately. Now if you are hungry, where you want to chop as you trade that prop firm account, that's the disadvantage of prop firm. But at the same time, you can preserve your capital while you are using OPM. It's called OPM. Even in other businesses, they do it. You can have an idea, and instead of using your money to execute that idea, you go meet investors, you use their money. In case anything happens, you are not in a loss yourself. So that's the idea with prop firm. Like I said, the mindset going into a prop firm matters a lot.
Mention of people wanting to trade their prop firm every day. First of all, nobody's rushing you. Nobody's pushing you. And also, I think most people should. What they should do is avoid prop firms with consistency rules.
Facts.
Yeah. So those are the bad eggs within the industry that makes it seem as if somebody is rushing you to pass an account. You should be able to pass an account at your own pace. Now, why do people blow their prop firm account? This comes from imaginative thinking. This 100k account, if I'm able to withdraw 30%, 40% for me, those are imaginative thoughts. Those are wishful thinking. For a sane person, that's what I would say. A sane person should know that everything takes time. My chapter 10 cannot be your chapter 1.
That's right.
You wish. It can't. So those are you want everybody to say congrats, Forex did. No, it doesn't work like that. So one thing I think is the consistency rule is going to mess with your mind, and the fact that you must not wake up and trade every day. Even God rested. So no. And another thing I still need to correct is that there are many props in the industry, right?
Yeah.
Somebody made mention of, if you are hungry, would you want to withdraw from the live account? Ladies and gents, I don't think trading is for hungry people.
Yeah.
Use your $10 and feed yourself first.
If you have a job, keep doing that job.
Big dream. You need to have a sustainable source of income before you trade. You need to be able to go back to that car wash that Drizzy was talking about.
Yeah.
To go and wash those 3 cars, to fund another account, or to buy that profit. You
right.
cannot just think and out of the blue you want things to happen that way. No. So I mean, for Goats Funded, he has a consistency rule. I mean, I wonder who would trade such a thing, but I won't do it.
Yeah.
I'm not saying they are bad. I'm not saying they are good.
And they are always cheaper.
They are always cheap. Avoid cheap things.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
He said has never
Traded
a profit.
We have God has been faithful. Now, the fact that God decided to be faithful with Drizzy, it does not mean God hates CG. But God will be faithful with me trading my own prop firm.
You may be making a wrong decision.
No, just allow me to go down my wrong rabbit hole first. Leave me. See, I won't learn the hard way. No, they advise me. Calm down. They know they advise person for trading. Make I learn the hard way. See, the thing there is that God has been faithful to Drizzy.
Yeah.
We're all grateful for the fact that Drizzy has come this far. Has God been wicked to Dax? Has God been naive when it comes to the issue of other people?
Why can't we learn from him?
Sorry.
Why can't we learn from our boss's group?
I cannot learn how to trade a prop firm from Drizzy because he only trades a live account. So the problem is that we can learn from him. There are other things to learn from Drizzy, apart from the fact that, see, the truth is, Drizzy has the amount of knowledge in his arsenal. It's just enormous, right? Not everybody has that knowledge. Some people feel different type of emotion when it comes to their live account and their prop account. If I'm losing $1,000 on a prop account right now, I can still manage. My sanity level is still there. Yeah. Psychology and balance. Lose $100 when you know who is a mentor.
Yeah.
I think somebody else will answer. Who is a mentor or?
Yes.
And talking about mentor, you understand? One thing about trading is, he says something here that trading is not for hungry people. There are different levels of hunger.
Exactly.
Do you understand? Yeah. There are different types of hunger. And also, you're talking about a mentor. Your mentor can tell you something that you need to do. And at the end of the whole thing, it ends in that hut where you're being taught. When you go home, you meet your main person at home. But listen, both Profem and life account, two of them are very, very much important. Do you understand? Now, Profem is, I've traded Profem, I've traded life account. Profem will shape you in the sense that you have to maintain. I have gone to a drawdown in a Profem to the extent that I was in $10. I shut down that trade for that day. Do you know the next day, I take that account back and pass that account? Do you know why? Profem will teach you discipline. You're not going into Profem for making it big. That is the conception you guys need to remove from it. Do you understand? Yes, you need to calm down when it comes to Profem. It's just like somebody going into business. If you don't take trade as a business, both life accounts, both Profem, you will still end it up blowing. Okay, now you're saying that you have a full access. You say you have full access to your life account. Do you know that if you want to take $1,000 account to $2,000 account, can you flip it? You cannot. You also do what? Take it gradual. What people don't like about Profem is that money that you are making to pass phase 1 and phase 2. Yeah. Is the money that you're supposed to pocketing in your you understand? So Profem is something about it discipline. If you understand it, it will shape you. It helps me. I'm a living testimony about it. I used to blow accounts. Give me 1,000, I go blow them. Give me 2K, I go blow them. But I said when I was doing my service, once they pay me my money for service, I will push down money to buy a Profem. I will be struggling with that Profem. I want to understand that they will be giving me different types of issues, daily limits, compound and all those things. I was like, let me know what is actually happening on this thing. Okay. After the whole thing, I journaled the whole stuffs, and when I came back to my own life account, I started applying all those things that Profem taught me. Yeah. Do you know that I find it difficult to blow account again? Do you understand? People will think that Profem is all about extorting money from you. No, they are shaping you, and like this my brother said, it will help you to get capital, the major capital that you use to go for your own life account. You cannot go to your life account that you want to be like Drizzy with $1,000 account. It's not possible. You cannot go there with $500 account. You understand? You can't go into as a newbie. You understand? As a newbie, somebody who don't have any structure.
That he started, you just want to jump and be there.
That is the challenge that we normally have. People don't understand that trading is a process.
Yes, you have to be.
Trading is a process, but can you be patient as a newbie? That is the challenge. Somebody who don't have structure, you will find it difficult to be that patient. Tomorrow, Drizzy might post taking $500 to 10,000, and you want to flip your own account, you blow it. You blow it. You understand? So both Profem and life accounts are good, but what you need to do before you go into any Profem, do what? Make your research to avoid you wasting your time.
Have more advantage.
This is my take, right? Like you said earlier, Profem helps you stay disciplined.
Yes.
The truth is, flipping is good, but trust me, it's not sustainable if you don't know how to do it.
Exactly.
I tell everyone that comes my way, I tell them, see, one thing you should understand is risk management.
Exactly.
Risk management. Someone just enters a trade not knowing how much is risky. One, you can't just hold that trade because you are scared of. You don't know what you're risking. You're scared that if it goes against you, you blow your account. But once you apply proper risk management, you know what you're risking. You can hold that trade.
That is the thing.
It will help you hold that trade. That's discipline. Profem helps you stay disciplined because they have rules.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
They have rules. And trust me, if you trade Profem in a while, you're able to grow your money. You're able to trade your live account.
Testimony. I will tell you.
You're able to trade your live account.
Trading Profem before.
Yes.
You understand? First of all, I started with my
you
life
can.
account.
This is it.
Okay.
This is my point.
Okay.
You can be disciplined. But you know, we all know, to be truthful, discipline is not just. It takes a lot.
No, I used to come back to my life
lot.
account.
Personally, you can say, I'm going to risk 10% of my account, 5% of my account, your personal account.
Okay.
Take that way. Your mind will tell you this is great setup. You just enter and stop. So discipline takes a lot. If you're really disciplined, really disciplined, then you can trade your live account. But trust me, if you're this person that you're not disciplined, Profem can shape you into being a disciplined trader. Right?
Yeah.
Now everybody's talking about Profem making you disciplined. Let me correct this because I've traded Profems and I've traded live account. Let me correct this, and I stand to be corrected. As I dey correct you, I start to be correct. Now, this is what I believe. A prop firm does not make you disciplined. Now, the reason is because the prop firm, the rules are pre-existing. You walk in there, now the music till they play, now you till they dance for prop firm. Now, in your own live account, don't you make rules for yourself? Do you understand? Now, a prop firm has rules. These rules you cannot change. Your live account has rules that you can change at any point in time. Like I they tell people, say they're not fence the market round. If you wake up midnight, say you want to go trade, you go trade. Do you understand? That is you breaking your own rules. So imagine you creating an environment where you have made rules for yourself. That account, that live account you are trading is almost like a prop firm account, true or false? Because now you have created those rules. The only thing is that we are not very comfortable with the rules of the prop firm. That's the only thing. But again, these rules are there because the prop firm is a business.
If you set a rule yourself, trust me, you can break that rule. You can break that rule because your money. But there are consequences when trading prop firm.
You lose your account.
You lose your account.
You
lose your account. So if you keep trust me, if you are a disciplined person, one thing about Forex is Forex shows the person you are. Your personality outside the market, who you are, we tell on the chat. Who you are, we tell on the chat. So if you are a disciplined person, if you're a decisive person, you can grow your small accounts. But a lot of persons, the truth is, let's be very sincere, the ratio of disciplined persons and that of non-disciplined ones, you can tell, right? But problem can help you. The thing where there are rules, no blow account necessarily. I'm not saying if you're not disciplined. If you're disciplined, you can trade your live account. But problem helps you because they have a rule that you know you can't trade against. That's my point.
For back in 2021, 2022, 2023, right? The early days of prop firms. We used to have prop firms that when prop firm give you account, you have to pass it in 30 days. And a lot of traders were like, no, we stand against this rule because realistically, it takes more than 30 days for me to grow my personal account. So why is the prop firm saying if I don't pass my account in 30 days, I've lost? A lot of traders complained about that rule. And guess what? The prop firms removed this rule. Why are people not passing prop firm again today? They have removed that rule. Now you have unlimited time to pass your prop firm. So why are people still failing their prop firms on the same day they bought it?
Investors still need to make money.
It's not a problem of investors. It's a problem of the traders. They don't have the experience. They don't have the skills. Some of them don't even know the strategies that they are trading. They don't know what they are doing. Because at the end of the day, you have to create rules on your own live account. Rules like I'm not trading on Monday. I know a lot of traders that don't trade Mondays and Fridays. I know a lot of traders that don't trade on news days at all, whether it's PPI, CPI, NFP. They just tell themselves, as long as there's a high impact news coming out today, I am not trading. That is your trading rule. Now, the prop firm says you can't trade when there's news. So if you make a rule for yourself on your live account to say, I'm not trading on news day, and the prop firm is also saying you can't trade when there's news, what exactly is the problem with the account then?
No problem. Okay.
There's no problem with the account. The only thing is that you don't like the fact that you cannot withdraw your money immediately. Because the prop firm is a business. The prop firm is a business. And the prop firm is banking on a lot of people failing their account. And the truth is that there are more inexperienced traders than there are experienced traders. We all know that most traders fail.
We'll use $500 to buy 100k accounts. Abi? And you know that you can lose a trade 10 times without winning. Abi? And even without passing a first demo trade in a demo account with that, I'll call it demo. Without passing that first demo, you feel breach that account, Abi. 500 don't go, Abi. Repeat them 10 times. And I don't see traders online where we say they'll get 1k. If they make $800 or 1k for their live account, they wait to withdraw before they continue. True or false, Abi? So where the gain dey? If I lose 10 times, then they give me 100k. Why they wait to get 1,000, withdraw first, wait first? I never did sure say they will blow am. So where the gain come dey now? And I don't blow 10 times. Amo don't go 10 times and 5k be that too. I dey wait to make 1k. How many times I want repeat am before you give me wetin I go get before I get frustrated? But you see my 500 pa? I fit break am into 100. You understand, ba? That 100, 1:3.
You go enter.
1:3, 1:3. If you do the same thing repeatedly, that 800 where you define on the long run, it dey your front the wait. Like I said, prop firm no be that thing where go make you the discipline.
True.
It's not possible make you teach me how to behave.
Drizzy Pips, you say that's your 500 pa, Abi?
Yes.
Okay, me now we no get 500 pa. I want to get 500 pa.
You go
Make I
try.
fun.
No, okay, see now. Okay, wait now. The information what I get, they tell me, see, okay, now to get like, okay, they get other prop firm now like 10K, 20K, Abi.
Yeah.
For those ones now, like how much they be now?
I think $50.
$50, all those kind of thing. Who no get pa? Where you know say you get $50 to trade, and the best thing na to use and buy demo accounts. You get wetin they do you now. Yes now. You get $50. The best thing where you say you won't use and do now to go use and buy demo. Make person accredit you first to say I dey try before they can't give me one kind of
Make I tell you something.
Anything where get plenty bonus, where they tell you see bonanza too full inside, there are many losses inside.
Truth. Prop firm. The truth is, prop firm is designed for you to fail, because they make money from the money you buy.
Even your broker wants you to.
Or make I tell you something.
Okay.
The truth is, I'm a testimony. Even Glory here, we've traded prop firms. We've made money from prop firm. So it's a thing of personality. If you know how to trade, leverage on how you can trade and win this prop firm too. The way they take win trades for your broker, win these prop firms too. Because most of the big guys you know today, some of them, I'm not saying all, right, but most of them made money from prop firms.
Golden is supposed to come. I don't know.
Almost all of them made money from prop firms. From prop firms.
I'm saying something about Drizzy Pips saying he has never ever traded prop firm. The truth is, you know that saying that they say if one person go dance for somewhere, they spray and money, another person go.
They go tear and slap.
Exactly. Now, this is the point I'm trying to make. No, this is the point I'm trying to make. The thing is, it might work. I be better still, it worked for him that way. For you now, I don't know how long you've been trading, but it will get to a point whereby you start losing your money, and then maybe you are on a losing streak and you've spent 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You will sit down and advise yourself that money is not coming from anywhere. Let me just gather this money that I have, buy prop firm, and then I'll still have my own life account. So since you are talking about withdrawal, how you traded and you withdrew your money, you can have that one as a daily to, let's say, your account for food or for just doing minor things, and then you keep your prop firm. It's a gradual thing. Do you understand? It's not something that you would want to say you can use 6 months to pass a prop firm. Do you understand? The important thing is that you don't lose the money. Yeah, you can. You can use 6 months too, and then it gives you better capital. How long will you keep trading your $100 and then saying something about having $100? The point is, I understand that we have our individual opinion and experience.
Grace for waiting again.
But it's really
Grace.
exactly what I want to say now. Now, If it follow, if it no follow, if it follow, if it no follow.
Grace for price action.
Now, there's a point where there's a point where you only have $100 and you find out that you are so emotionally attached to that money. You will not be able to make profit on that account. When the $100 is the only capital you have, you find out that you are taking a trade, you want to do 1:3. When it gets to 1:1, you close the trade. And then your next trade, you are in loss. Because you are emotionally attached to that money, you end up losing it. But what if you have that $100? You split it into two. You have one for your prop, maybe you buy a 15K prop account for $50 or so, and then you are trading your 15K gradually, and then you are also applying the same process you are using on that 15K account on your 50K account. No, that's leverage. I feel that is leverage because we all have opinions.
Don't worry, it's not 100% perfect.
I think
You don't have to be 100%.
account and 200K account. But I say we don't forget, say $5 million prop firm day. We know.
Yeah.
Most of the things that people say I am trading for my investor, sometimes it's not an investor, it's a $5 million prop firm. Yes, and they pass it. Now, I need you to understand that whether you say you lose money to prop firm or not, your broker How much have you lost? People have literally lost more money to brokers than they've lost to prop firm. Now, you need to understand that in trading, there's what they call a type A and a type B account. Now, the type A is the one, yes, those accounts that are connected directly to the market. The type B account, because your broker knows say you no get level. Like Drizzy get waiting, you get level. But now your broker knows say you no get waiting, you no get level. Good. Now for real account, so your broker knows that you no get level. From the way they don't see your movement, they know see your account straight. Now what would they do? Na type B account, they knock you. All your money that you are losing to gold is pumping you. You want to short it because you are mailing. It's going to your broker. So most money in this industry, for this our industry where they see back, 90% of the money people they lose on to broker, no be to prop firm. Prop firm they chop crumbs. Yes, even the crumbs in the industry can be big. Yes, but I want make you understand something. Say even them the 5 million account, we one guy like that they trade. Na prop firm. Even that guy said no. Na prop firm. That's why sometimes you look, watch where this industry na knowledge observation.
Yeah.
When you observe, you know say this week that guy chop 400k loss. Then the next week he still bring under 5 million account, bro. How far now that go they fund you. So you need to understand that.
They see the progress.
So now only I and my VIP they catch that trade, but that topic for another day. I won't just tell you say. If you no get access to prop firm, he no go dey buy am. And probably yes, he passes some, he doesn't pass them, right? And some are probably strictly for marketing. Now, if you no get access to those prop firm, the ones where they pass, you no go physically they pass them. That's one thing you need to understand. And you need to understand, say, even if you won't go the broker way, you say, you say you go divide 500k into waiting into 5 times. Yes, 5 loaves of bread. He go do them. Yes. Why is he able to do it? He's able to do it because he has the ability and the knowledge to apply it, right?
First.
Good, because they say my people suffer for lack of knowledge. He has the knowledge to do it. You can still have that same 5 pa, divide the pa, and you will lose all the pa.
Yes.
Serious, you will lose all the pa to your what? To your broker. Because if you don't know how to apply it, and also understand that while we are busy bashing prop firms that have saved more lives than the government, while we are busy bashing these prop firms, I will still tell you one thing you don't understand. On Xness, this is not calling or promoting anybody else, but Xness might have a price that says gold is at 4,550. Why? On some other place that some other person is promoting would have 5,451 or 40. Now you see that small place, it will kiss your SL and go your way. So even when you are saying prop firm have not done enough damage. And look at it statistically. This is where I will round up and pass. Statistically, right? 99 or 98% of traders fail. Prop or no prop, they fail at the end of the day. Now, all this money that the traders have lost, can we pause for a minute and think where the money is?
Because you go they blame prop firm. That means if you be prop firm trader, I don't know if it gets me. Now, at the end of the day, you're supposed to own up to your action. You're supposed to own up to your mistake. Because if you don't know say you get mistake, you no go learn. I don't know if it gets me. But you go blow prop firm today, you blow tomorrow, blow next tomorrow. You know what your mind go do? You go just define the prop firm where they reliable now. You no go define yourself. You go to tell yourself, say, FTMO they lose guard me. This one they lose guard me. That one they lose guard me. But you no tell yourself, say, now me lose guard myself. Now one of the things where we say prop firm they do to traders, where we say, you no go understand yourself. And if you don't understand yourself, you cannot even be a trader. Do you understand? You cannot be a trader. That's number one thing. Like I said before, I've never traded prop firm before. Like I don't even know the proceedings to buy a prop firm. I started with $3. No be whining. J now $3. You understand? For good 6 months. That was to $7. If we do $7 that time, now don't be small jolly because now the first time I go no say, I sit down at the comfort of my zone, even get something. Now that small thing where they see now even make me say, Omo, you no go stop for this thing. But the only difference be say they do and small. No go hard. You no get any of my mentee today where be say if I dey teach that, they tell them no go deposit big funds. It's not possible, no be for my mouth. You understand? Because I believe in small money. If you no train yourself, nobody will train you. So how can a prop firm train you? They don't even understand the kind of person where you be. They just know say you they can't give them money. May they give you demo. May you blow them so that they go make yes, so that they go make money.
I don't know if you they get.
Be waiting.
You where they so Gary for house. If you not go outside, you not go no say people they shop fried rice.
No be lie.
You understand?
Yes.
And even who don't belly full, if you bring food for an, you go see collect am because tomorrow you go hungry. You know understand? That's the reason why they are prop firms. Now you are already at the level where your experience can allow you to turn $20 into $100, $200, $500, right? And now you talk and say you know they ever deposit big money for that your flippy way you do. Why you know they deposit big money?
If you go now.
If he go, so you know say if he go.
I know now.
Now why you know they deposit waiting big money? So you where they turn, you where they turn $20. You where they turn $20.
Let me tell
You where they turn $20.
Yes.
To $200. You know if you turn 2,000 to 50K.
It's possible. Now, okay, wait.
There's possibility and there's probability.
Yes.
Possibility na say this thing dey possible.
Okay.
Probability na say if you not get some certain conditions, the possibility doesn't even exist for you.
Oh yeah, now.
You understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
It been get with you just tell me now. You say me where they do $20 to $100. Why I know if you do $2,000 to 100K?
200K, yes.
Now,
Breaking the 2,000.
before I deposit my money, I know what's in my account.
Facts.
No be waiting in my present trade like this. The money what you receive from my account now, no be in my trading account, no be in my bank account.
Normal account.
Now me know my strength. You understand, but if I deposit $20, it means say for my account I go get reach 500K.
Facts.
Should in case of anything goes wrong. So if I'm depositing $2,000 and for my real account I don't even get reach 1 million, what's the profit there? I dey kill myself.
Why you know they see and say I fit get $1,000 now, and I know my strength. That 1,000 na my whole life, home and abroad. Instead of me to deposit this full 1,000, when I know say the possibility there for me to lose my 1K, instead of me to deposit that full 1K, I go break am down 2 days and they buy 10K. Now if I have the experience, there's no way I'm going to lose 10 prop firm accounts in a row.
Most of them make is that they approach prop firm as demo accounts.
Exactly, the approach.
So, see, now the approach, you see the psychology in trading actually. If you approach it as a demo account, you trade it like a demo account. But it's not actually a demo account. It's an account. You are trying to prove yourself as a trader to get funding. Okay, instead of going to the bank to tell them you want to collect loan and trade, there is a prop firm out there that are willing to give you that amount, but they need to see that you can use that money properly and not just burn it off, okay? Even as much as these prop firms are like all these, how do they call this kind of... Yeah, like say they are not actually connecting you to the real market, right? Yeah. It's the money from failed accounts that they are paying you on cash out, okay? So, but the concept there is a system, okay? I made a few notes, okay? There is a system. This industry is you learn before you earn, okay? So if you approach the industry like you want to learn the business through prop firm, that is when you are whining yourself, because you will just keep buying accounts, failing, buying accounts. You'll be learning the prop firm and still learning the industry. Trading is different from the prop firm. You understand that this prop firm there is this particular rule, this other prop firm there is this particular, and you'll be learning those rules while you are still learning the business. So the approach is this, right? Even as much as the question, the theme is prop account better than a real account?
With prop firm, for like someone who wants to, who have the money, because I remember one person, I think Jay or somebody said like somebody approached him, said that he has $1,000, we want 2,500. That can he get so amount before 3 months?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes,
so coming to that aspect,
yes,
prop firm will help you to reduce the amount of money that you will lose within specific of time if you understand it. If somebody introduces it to you, let's assume you have a $1,000 capital now, and you don't know anything about Forex, or you have learned a bit. You understand? You can use that, and you don't know how to flip or whatever. You're still managing your risk, learning structures and all those things and all that. For you to lose, you can, if you fund that 1,000, you will lose that money within 1 week or even 2 weeks, even a day, if you don't know what you're doing. But if you use that money and buy like let's say a 10K account, you'll be fighting with it. The more you're fighting with it, the more you're learning as a beginner. You understand? You can't tell me that you can lose that money. And no. You know, you say something. You know, you say something. Yeah, no. Some persons. If you don't understand that trading is, like I said earlier, trading is all about like a business. If you don't if you don't see trading as a business, you always keep losing, no matter what. You understand? It's like a stepping stone. If you understand it, if you cannot be able to admit to something, like I said, me, I traded Profem. I have traded live accounts. But there's something that I learned from Profem. I didn't go into Profem because I wanted to get the money, but I just wanted to know how far. The first Profem I traded was 15K account from Funded Nets. I passed that account. I didn't even know what Forex was like, what it's all about. Phase 1, the day I passed Phase 1, the same day I passed Phase 2. I have to wait till the minimum trading days. Do you know I passed this account? I was on $2,500 on profit 3 days after I passed the account. The next day I blew the account. I told Jay. I didn't understand. My brother was telling me then that, do you know that what you have is egg? Now egg you have a whole I'm tied to. I don't understand it. Until that I can't went off. I didn't feel it. It was like later, like if somebody told you that somebody died, somebody you love died. You don't understand the thing at that moment. Do you know it? Even in that day, I have to drive to Transcorp to just go and cool my head, because I was like, has this account go like this? I have to. I have. That's why I have. Like exactly. You understand? So like I was saying, like I was saying, the reason why you should go for Profem is if you never get structure. Yes. Don't carry your money go into trading. And people see trading as gambling and get rich quick stuff. Profem will help you. One, let's make we not talk about the discipline too much, because discipline is no matter how it seems to be, you must find a way to discipline yourself, but still follow. Another main thing what I like about it is that it will help you on the kind of loss you could have imagined before you start being profitable. You understand? It will help you with the amount of loss where you don't suppose chop. I sat down that was last year. I went to, because where I started was from Deriv. I went into my account from A to Z. I was recording the whole losses I took since I entered Forex. After I did my own, I asked my brother. My brother told me, say, I know I never lose money, and now why him run? You understand? Because he was going all in all. He even have to call somebody to come and stay with him. I didn't know. He was not even telling me. You know, say most of these laws, we say, person don't go tell you until you don't lose money finish. That time he go come tell you, say, oh, if you see the guy money where I lose for this thing, now wait till make me run. They're not go tell you when they don't fund them. But that time, if during weekend like this now, market don't they open, or market they fund their accounts. I go calm down now. This is what they do now. Market go still day. That's one thing that people don't understand.
At the end of the day.
You understand? At the end of the day, the industry, the market will still be flowing. Once your bullet finish, it's over. It's over. They go.
It's over for you.
You go to watch and I think go. You know, send you. You understand? So at the end of the day, I will also say as a beginner, I don't even see it for Profem as something to scale up.
Nice.
I don't see Forex as what's they calling it, Profem as something to scale up. I don't see it as it, because if you can be able to scale up on that account, you can still do it on your own profit, on your own life account.
Yes. That's the best.
No.
Next time. Next time.
So you are doing it. Like, you're not a good trader.
Just write it to your book. Write it to your book next time.
The point is to be a good trader.
That is it. I mean, it's all about who you are.
Next time, tackle it.
All right, my own conclusion would be that do what works for you. Do what works for you and what you're convicted to do, and gain experience from each of them, and then know which one works for you at the end of the day. Because if we keep talking, everybody has their own that has worked for them. So it's based on experience. And if you want to experience life account, fine. Or if you want to experience Profem, it's still fine. There's still room for everyone to experience the both. And then is that we need discipline and we need
Consistency.
because the market will always be there. So if you blow your account, as you leave, the market will still be there. So discipline is very, very important. Yes, market will still be there. So just discipline yourself and then do what works for you.
Your mindset can make you see something like a scam. For example, I knew about trading when I was still in secondary school, but I started trading after university, after NYSC. That's when I started trading. Now, what's the reason? When I first know about trading, that year we dey worry. That year they'll tell you, say, bro, this old bros for streets now trading recamo. You understand? Because then you cannot even fund $100 then. I'm talking about way back in when I was in maybe like SS3, something there about. Trading has been in existence for a very long time. We have traders that have been trading for 20 years.
Yes.
How old I be? Yes. I don't old like forget my mustache you see. I never really old. You understand, boy? But anyways, sometimes your mindset will make you think say something as scam. The same way we are all saying, oh, prop firms are scam. Maybe you know one or two people that have been scammed by certain prop firms. Yeah. You are not really open to the idea of prop firms, right? But the moment you see somebody that has withdrawn $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 from a prop firm, you instantly see it differently. And you now look at yourself and say, wait, I have the same skill that this person has. Maybe you even have the same money that this person has. But this person decided that instead of me to fund my whole $5,000 into a live account, let me remove $1,000 from it, buy a $200,000 account. God willing, I pass phase 1 and phase 2. If I do 5%, which is $10,000, that's your whole live account that you wanted to fund in the first place. You understand? So sometimes your mindset can make you think a certain thing is a scam. That's why I said perspective matter. How you look at that prop firm. If you look at it like, oh, I want to flip this prop firm, you will blow it because it's not even possible for you to flip a prop firm. If you want to withdraw big money from a prop firm, you have to grow that money. You cannot flip it. Because technically flipping is either risking 100% of your account or maybe a big percentage of your account, 50%, 25%. You can't do that on a prop firm. So in a nutshell, it's a personal thing. Research about live trading. Research about prop trading. Because trust me, anything that has advantages has disadvantages. That your live account where they there, it get disadvantages. And one of the major disadvantages of your live account is the fact that there are no rules. Now you make the rules so you can break them at any time. You no go flog yourself now. You no go beat yourself. If you blow your own account now, you know if you tell yourself, say, oh, yeah, go pick pin. You'll be like, I just account now. I'll try again later. There are no rules, there are no consequences. But if you blow your prop firm, that pain that you will feel for like 1 week is the consequence of blowing your live account. I'm sorry, your prop firm account. So do your own research and make sure you understand what you're about to get into. Then go for it with your full chest. Forget what anybody they talk for outside, because people are making money with prop firms. People are making money with real accounts. So at the end of the day, I would advise that you do both. But to be honest, if you know to guide like that and you think prop firms can scale you up faster so that you can now bring that money back into your real account, then go for props. All right.
Prop firm and life account. Personally, I would say prop firms, because there is a way that you get overly attached to your account, especially when it's like your last funds, when you don't have so much. But when you get a prop firm, the emotional attachment to money will not be there, because you know that this is a prop account, it is not my personal money. So buying a prop firm, you should have two things in mind. You can either pass or lose the account. First of all, you should have that in mind. And having your own personal account again helps you to make daily withdrawal. But prop firm help you to like scale up to it exposes you to some kind of amount of money that you would never imagine you would have. For example, now you're already used to seeing $1,000 as profit, and then you get a 100K account. You should know that $1,000 should be your stop loss. Over time, it gets to expose you to larger amounts of money, capital. You get to familiarize yourself with it too. When you get your own funds from prop, you can confidently lose a particular amount without fidgeting, without feeling scared, without having some kind of fear or anxiety that, oh, you are losing a particular amount of money. So in my opinion, prop firms are good. Life accounts are also good. But then if you don't have so much capital, like he said, just leverage on prop firm. Me, if I have 5K, like I cannot use 5K as my stop loss. if I have 100k account, I can confidently use 5k as stop loss. I'm on nothing spoil. Or 200k, nothing spoil. But make I dey look my 5k they go. Just like that. So I would say you should try prop firm if you want larger capital, but still have your own life account. So that's it.
Now, should the lowest amount where if you get prop firm now, like how much?
$30.
$20, $30. Even 10,000. Even 10,000. So if I not get up to $20 to buy a prop firm, where I get like $10 to trade a real account, I fit trade the real account to get money to buy prop firm.
Yes, 100%.
Fast, Abby. So if I fit trade my $10 to get my $20 to go buy prop firm, why not just continue like that instead of that?
You can definitely continue like that. But you see your the way you grow now, 10 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, maybe 60 to 80. Or let's say you are doubling it. What's the sustainability of doubling it like that over a long period of time?
But at the end of the day, we go just leave the audience, make them to throw their this thing. But for me, real account. In conclusion, real account now the best. Yes, over profit. Yes.
Firm trader. I think throughout 2025, I didn't even deposit in my personal account. I was trading prop firms, and I made the most money I made in trading was last year, and it was from prop firms. So if I was to advise and tell anybody, right? If I was to advise or tell anybody, I would say prop firm trading is better for those who have limited funds. Why real account trading? As a trader, because most people approach prop firm as beginners, but as a trader, prop firm helps you scale if you don't have capital. But life accounts can still help you scale if you have money.
I'm a crypto trader.
That's just the whole thing.
And for a long while, cryptocurrency, the industry, never had prop firm, crypto prop firms. Prop firm is dominantly for Forex traders. That's it. But now we are experiencing a rise in prop firms coming from the crypto industry. We will soon experience the prop firm boom in the crypto sector. I've seen the evidence of prop firm in a lot of people's accounts. In their lives, it has worked for them, right? And personally, I would advise people to trade props for numerous reasons that we've outlined. And while a lot of people might not agree with it, we all have individual differences and individual opinion. So sometimes we have to disagree to agree or agree to disagree. But if you're just starting up, you should trade prop firms. But don't say you want to get addicted to it, because if you get 10k from a prop firm and you fund a real account, right, there's no doubt that a real account gives more freedom than a prop. I'll be very honest, it gives more freedom, right? But in sourcing for capital, props still remain one of the most vital ways to source for capital, because not all of us might be that lucky to get Middle East investors, you understand, to run a live account. Well, seriously, if you can get a Middle East investor, or you can compound, they don't go the prop way. But if you know you need that capital, you are welcome to the prop way. That's it.
Live accounts always, real accounts always. I always want to, like, how will I be trading a prop firm? I don't know. I cannot trade for somebody or for a company and then, do you know how much I flip in a day? Then I will now leave the money for them. It's not possible. I must withdraw my money.
Like if I know I'm going to lose, my drawdown is 500 for a day. I will take a proper trade for 250. If it does not go my way, then I will gamble the remaining 250 and try tomorrow again. But real accounts, you can trade news, you can do everything. There's no stopping you.
Yeah. Well, you can't even trade.
So, but I still prefer a real account.
No, so
yeah. You can't trade news on Profile. Yeah, you can't trade news. Yeah. So that's
not the one time thing. Next weekend we'll still have another section, different topic. You understand, but different topic, different approach, and we'll keep it burning, because you get a lot of persons who will say this talk they motivate out there. You understand? Because people don't quit. people don't quit the forex, but we know say now wetin dey work. If you follow them systematically, you understand. Now only community now in the build person. Yes, you know if you just dey house trade like that, make you dey get and clear. Now the facts with that. So we believe say we go open more people eye to different things, and also it's going to be a great one. When I get level, yeah.